Hey, good to see everybody again. I'm gonna try to do one of these every week. Hit a little different, a little something different every week. If you're buying a house prior to early 70s, 60s, 50s, you can see 40s and older. Plumbing, your DWV pipes, drain, waste, and vent pipes. If they haven't been upgraded, more than likely you're going to be composed of cast iron. And so what you look for with cast iron, number one is drainage capability. You want to run a lot of water through every fixture in the home. Sinks, toilets, dishwasher, bathtubs. Make sure everything's draining adequately. If you can get that far, you're doing okay. But then comes the important part, is actually coming down. Let's turn this around and let's look at your pipes themselves. And these are called bell and spigot connections. And that's where they join together. Well, they used to seal those connections with oakum rope, which is actually a type of hemp rope, and then lead would solder around the outside. Well, of course, with age, you're going to get a failure of either that oakum, lead, or both of them, and that there is called seepage. That's a little bit of poo coming out of that pipe. So you always look down below cast iron, and you're looking for spots, where it has leaked onto the ground. And look at this connection here. I mean, just yuck. So that's an indicator, end of life. Even if we didn't have any deficiencies with the exterior wall of the pipe, you have to always, and even if we had functional drainage, you have to sewer scope them. It's if you don't, you're rolling the dice. These need to be 50, 60-year lifespan on these pipes anyway. They need to be anticipated for replacement sooner rather than later. You're going to have problems with them. They may be flowing now, may not have any visible deficiencies. It's coming. It's just time that's going to get you. But I'll show you a couple more and then we'll wrap this one up kind of quick today. Rust cysts. That is these guys right here. And a lot of times you'll either find cracking on the bottom belly of the pipe, or you will find these little cysts or blisters, rust blisters. What that is that's indicative of a leak through the pipe wall. So you had a pinhole through the pipe wall. It was such a slow leak. This isn't under pressure, so such a slow drip leak, and we can actually see indications of it where we've got these cysts here where it's leaked previously on the slab. But they've leaked and sealed themselves back over with rust. When I first started in this years ago, I got my screwdriver and I said, you know what? I'm gonna poke, and it was on the bottom. Let's see if I can find one on the bottom here. Right here is kind of one. That's a big one up here on the side. So if we had a lot of water flowing through here and I scraped off that cyst or blister right there, water started coming out of that place where I scraped that off. So I have never scraped a rust cyst or blister again. So just something to look for with cast iron. Know that even, once again, you don't have any deficiencies, it's going to come up for replacement just due to its age alone. But once you've got deficiencies like we're seeing here, it's time for replacement. There's a little bit about cast iron. Hope you guys have a great day. See you, bye.